Looks like something here is about to happen. Like you just can't explain. Yun yung nakukuha ko rito. Like, hindi mo to maipapaliwanag. Hmm. Let's get more information. It is meant to happen. Tower is right here. Hindi mo ito maipapaliwanag at meant to be ito na mangyari. Nakakita ko ng resistance sa'yo, pero nakita ko ang sun while shuffling. Nakikita ko na may pagbabago rito. Okay? Dun sa resistance na mararamdaman mo. When you're resisting, it's like ayaw mo nun. Pero nakikita ko that with the sun, okay, mukhang magiging malinaw rin ang lahat. So tell me about this. This is very deep to the point that this is somewhat I find intriguing for you guys. Destiny na naman. Uwi! As you can see, we've got 3 major arcanas, isn't it? The moon, the tower, the sun is kanina nakita rin natin, so we do have 4, isn't it? And then, the wheel of fortune. Yeah, very intriguing because I can see union here. I can see union here. Tell me more. Tell me more. Tell me more. Let's go. Saan ka man? Because I'm getting a different message from here. Yeah. Let's keep moving to get more clarity about the situation right here. Alam mo, masyasya ka talaga rito. Masyasya ka talaga rito, collective. Nakikita ko rito. Masyasya ka rito talaga. So, ilatag muna natin ito. See? Ace of Swords right at the middle of this reading. So, it looks like revelation ito. There is some kind of a truth, katotohanan rito for you guys. Yung nakikita ko rito. There is some kind of a truth right here. And you have a lot of major arcanas. You've got 3 already. The Lovers, the Hermit right here is present, and this Hierophant energy. Yeah, I clearly got it right. This is shocking for you. That's what I'm getting. This is somewhat shocking for you. Okay? Sa nakikita ko rito, at first you might look like, no, na hindi ito perfect timing, pero perfect timing pala ito. So at first, it may seems na parang hindi ito perfect na oras or hindi ito perfect na time for this to happen, pero saktong-sakto lang pala. So yeah, wait na, ayusin natin ang ating camera mga babes. Yan. Okay. So, Hey there mga my loves collective, thank you so much sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pag-support po sa akin dito sa channel na to at sa mga new subscribers. Hello sa inyong lahat, ako po si Yan, yan mga my loves, no? Bago natin simulan nito, alam niyo naman na wala tayong gender dito at timeless din ito. First na nakikita ko rito, just take how this resonates kasi sa iba, no, pwedeng tapos na to, pwedeng nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. Pero marami-rami pa dito, no, na hindi pa to nangyayari. Actually, nasa distant future ito. And when we say distant future, this is happening or gonna happen right here, no? Matagal pa, malayo pa. Yan, no? Marami-rami sa inyo na ito ang inyong prediction sa inyong distant future. Ay, matagal pa pala yan, Miss Yan. Hindi ko ba napapanoorin niya? Hear this out, babe, because this might be shocking to you. Alam mo, it appears here to be some kind of a personal reading, but almost it is, no? Pero, I don't know who I'm talking to right now, okay? Kasi baka ikaw pala ito in the distant future, okay? So, as what I'm getting from here, collective, you've got this Three of Coins energy, Six of Coins energy, pero I mentioned Six of Swords, no? So, Six of Swords is that kind of energy moving away. Exactly. 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 See, nadudulas pa tayo dito kasi ito talaga yung tinutumbok ng storyline nito mga babes, no? There is this someone coming in your life, or this person could be already in your life. This person is someone na pakakasalan mo, maaaring bumuo kayo ng pamilya nitong tao na to. May mga moments kayong pagsasaluhan rito, like literally, no, almost perfect ito for you. I can see na pakakasalan mo siya, magkakaroon kayo ng magandang buhay dito, no, almost perfect. Okay? Like literally, this is the person na mahal mo talaga, na siya talaga yung gusto mo rito makabuild, regardless kung kailan mo siya nakilala, no? And if you are connecting with that person right now, you will get shocked. If this is your reading, this is quite sensitive, honey. So, wag mo tong i-claim if ayaw mo. Or if you feel na hindi ito para sa'yo, then close this video off, okay? Pero, this is what the reading is giving me. This is what this reading is conveying me. And this is what your angels and spirit guides is giving me. Kung happy ka na sa iyong love life ngayon sa tao na yan na kasama mo, like husband mo na, wife mo na yan, no? Kasal man kayo or hindi kayo kasal, para nakikita mo na yung future mo together, and that person also seeing you, no, sa future niya, together kayo, no, well, you will be shocked because that person is hindi pa pala yung para sa iyo. This person is paparating pa lamang sa buhay mo. Your true love or your true soulmate right here with the lovers is papunta pa lang sa buhay mo. Papasok siya dun sa time na nakasettle ka na with someone else. Okay? You might be thinking, ha? Masaya na ako, Miss Yan. Ha? Okay naman kami ng partner ko, ha? May mga pangarap na kami. Ayoko, nakakatakot yung sinasabi mo, blah, 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 and all of these things. No? First of all, this is a general reading right here. Yeah, you're happy with whoever that person is right beside you right now. Pero, mga mahal, hindi pa yan yung para sa'yo. See? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, this appears to be somewhat, okay, different reading right here. Okay? Yeah, happy ka na. Yes, nagbibigayan kayo sa isa't isa. Yes, may equal give and take dito. Yes, nagbubuo na kayo ng strong foundation legacy. And then what? Hindi pa pala kami, miss yan, sa isa't isa. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, girl. Kumanta. Wait a minute. Yan, no? Una sa lahat, energy reader ako dito. And I'm just receiving here messages and images related to this reading. Okay, so just take how this resonates. This reading is quite sensitive. Okay, so ako ay medium lamang upang iparating sa inyo itong mensahe na to. No? Pero hindi pa yan talaga yung tao talaga na talagang mararamdaman mo yung happiness na nanggagaling sa loob-loob mo talaga. Alam mo yung parang pakiramdam na sobrang saya mo to the point na siguro 'di ba, what's in your life na-experience mo yung sobrang excited, sobrang saya ka na nagtatatalon ka sa saya, sa tuwa, 'no? Hindi pa yun, okey mga babes 'no, hindi mo pa yun nararanasan with this person, kung sino man 'tong nasa tabi mo, with your husband 'no. Kung masaya ka na diyan, miss yan, yun na yun, eh. Hindi babe, may isasaya ka pa. May isasaya ka pa at nakikita kitang magdedesisyon rito 'no, na putulin ang ugnayan or ano man ang magiging koneksyon mo sa taong inaakala mong masaya ka na sa kanya ngayon. Kasi hindi siya yung tunay na talagang para sa'yo. Nakikita kita in the distant future, cutting your connection with this person right here. Yes, you are the one who's gonna cut that connection because you're gonna feel emotionally overflowing, super invested with that true soulmate na paparating pa lang sa buhay mo. Hindi ko alam kung paano to explain sa inyo in a way na dahil lang sa salita. Pero I'm getting this kind of energy that you will be the one who's gonna cut out whatever it is na nasimulan mo with this person. It might be heartbreaking with that person pero hindi talaga siya yung for you. There is someone else here na nakatakda at paparating pa lang siya sa buhay mo. And in this very intense spiritual way right here, there is this magnetic attraction that you cannot explain at all. This person, magiging masaya ka sa kanya, double, triple, more kung gaano ka kasaya with this person na sinasabi mong masaya ka na sa kanya, kontento ka na sa kanya ngayon, may isasaya ka pa babe, doble, triple, no? At nakikita kitang sobrang saya mo in the distant future right here. I'm seeing you moving towards that, your real happiness, no? See? Nakikita kita na sinusunod mo dito yung damdamin mo. Oo, mapupunta ka sa crossroads here, pero you will eventually see the truth. That your destiny isn't this person who's right beside you now. That there will be someone here na mas makakapagbigay. Alam mo yung ganito, how can I explain this? No? Let's say, merong tatlong boxes sa harapan mo. This box is happy, categorize natin as happy. And the second box is happier. And the third box is the happiest. Okay? Kung i-extend natin itong nararamdaman mo with this person, sige, laktawan na natin yung happy at i-consider na natin yan as happier. Okay? So, nasa happier ka na, pero hindi mo pa naabot yung sukdulan ng pagiging happy talaga. So, may happiest pa. Yun, dun mo mararamdaman yung pinakamasaya rito na mabuhay talaga is yung happiest at dun yun, no, sa tao na makikilala mo pa lamang. Yung true soulmate mo, yung true love mo is paparating pa lamang, no. Marirealize mo yan, hindi pa ngayon mahal, no. Pero, maaaring ikaw to na magtatanong ka with the 7 of Cups energy, 7 of Wands energy. Hindi, ayoko yan, miss yan. Ano pinagsasabi mo? Hindi, wala yan. Blah, 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 blah. Ay, naway niyo na naman ako. Babe, your spirits and angel guides are guiding you. Okay? Alam mo, ito na lang. Kasi hindi naman ako yung angel and spirit guides ninyo. I am an energy reader right here, a psychic reader right here, listening to what the universe is about to tell you. So whatever the case may be, nakikita ko yung mukha mo, sobrang saya mo in the distant future to the point na masasabi mo sa sarili mo na tama yung desisyon mo, na kinat mo yung bagay na may isasaya pa pala. Mas may isasaya ka pa pala. Nakikita kita, alam mo nakakita ko rito ng parang bata na nagsasasayaw sa isang malawak na palayano. There are lots of abundance here waiting for you. There are lots of happiness right here waiting for you. There are lots of unimaginable, no? Hindi mo talaga na-imagine ever sa buhay mo, may loves mo, na may isasaya ka pa pala. Akala mo masaya ka na sa piling ng partner mo ngayon, no? Pero may mas isasaya ka pa pala. Alam mo, simula ng umpisa ng reading, no, kanina ko pa nakikita yun sa aking image right here na may isang bata na pa-dancing-dancing, no, pasayaw-sayaw, no, or pahap-hap, no? Yung pagtalon-talon, no? Like to the point na parang happy ka, no? Parang yung feeling na la 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 la, yung ganyan. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you really, really happy in the future. You're gonna thank yourself that you've got this person here in your life at mas pinili mo yung tao na paparating pa lang sa buhay mo. It's destiny unfolding here in this type of situation. You will really feel emotions overflowing right here. You know, rainbow it is. So it looks like whatever it is, it's somehow miracle here. Kasi nahinto na yung buhay mo eh. Kasi naisip mo, okay na ako dito sa person ko, magsasama kami niyan forever. Kaming dalawa na talaga itinakda sa isa't isa. No one can separate us. Hindi, hindi. And you might be listening to me right now like, Miss Yan, anong sinasabi mo? Gusto pa naman kita pero ayoko na sa'yo. I'm I'm seeing someone na ita-type niya yan, no? Ewan ko lang kung itutuloy niya yan na i-comment dito sa reading na ito. Pero, sabi ko nga sa inyo, if this is not you, then don't claim it. Pero kasi ayaw mo ba yung punto na may isasaya ka pa pala? Yung mas magiging masaya ka pa pala? No? Para kasing ganito yan eh. If hindi ka magpupush, okay? If you will choose the road na hindi ka magpupush to the right person, okay? Kasi nakikita ko mapuful ka eh. Mamahalin mo yung tao na yun to the point na yung akala mong hindi mo kayang iwanan or bitiwan, kayang-kaya mong bitiwan pala. Kasi may mas isasaya ka pa pala. So, ibig sabihin yun yung pinakatamang desisyon na gagawin mo rito. Na hindi mo na-imagine no, na gagawin mo yun. It is because, okay, sinusunod mo rito yung damdamin mo, yung intuition mo, na yung talagang tunay na para sa'yo ay yung taong makikilala mo pa lamang. Iba'y talaga yung magiging pakiramdam mo rito to the point na i-work out mo ito with the Knight of Wands energy, Queen of Cups. This is you. I'm seeing you na i-accept mo to. At first, iisipin mo, bakit ako nai-love dito, mali ito. Yan. At first, may isip mo rito na bakit ko nararamdaman tong bagay na to, hindi pwede to. Yan, no? Pero I can see you here, okay? Na magiging sigurado ka in the distant future after seeing all the evidences and proofs na hihingin mo sa iyong mga angels and spirit guides because I can see a very spiritual you. At lahat ng mga signs na hihingin mo ay pumupunto, tumutugma sa bagong taong papasok pa lang sa buhay mo. Siya ang talagang para sa iyo. Yeah. See? Sometimes we cannot explain what the universe wants to tell us. Sometimes may mga desisyon sila na hindi natin maintindihan, may mga plano, may mga bagay silang gusto sa mga bawat isa sa atin, no? Pero yun nga, no? The fact that I'm seeing you really, really happy in the distant future makes me feel like, buti naman. Yan, no? So, sa nakikita ko rito, mga babes, no? You cannot really explain how powerful and magical your life can be, no? 'Di ba? You know what? I remember one of the example. Yung isa, kinasal na siya, no? Tapos, yung tao na nakilala niya, no, matanda na siya, no, dumating yung right person sa life niya, pero yun lang pala yung right moment. 'Di ba? So we really cannot tell, no, ano ba yun? Kasi it's about two people right here. Masasabi mo yan kapag ka ikaw na mismo yung nakaramdam, naka-experience nun. So this is not wrong timing, but this is just a right timing here. Yeah, so nakikita ko dito. So, pag nakita kayo ni Universe, tanungin mo lang siyang diretso. Pero the universe is saying here to you that that is all part of the preparation. That is all part of the plan. Ang taong talagang para sa'yo ay paparating pa lamang. Oh, this is a really moving, super moving reading right here for you guys. I don't know what to say, how to react further to this, but this is really, really different, no, from our other readings right here. Okay, so I repeat, this is highly sensitive. Do not claim this if you don't like or if you do not feel the type. Okay, But I can see that you are at your happiest to the point na sa sobrang saya mo, halos makakalimutan mo ang pangalan mo. Yan, no? Ganun na lang, no? Para ma-describe ko ito, no? Na sobrang, 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 sobrang magiging masaya ka sa dulo, dulo, dulo. Inuulit-ulit-ulit ko kasi paulit-ulit-ulit kitang nakikitang magiging masaya to the point na, alam mo yon, no? Unlimited yung magiging happiness mo. No? So, kung happy ka na ngayon dito with this person, no? Meron ka pa palang mas isasaya pa. So, thank you so much, Collective. Sana ngayon love and life. Annyeong.